Every great civilization we know changed because of one powerful invention. Think about it: fire, agriculture, electricity. Each one fundamentally reshaped how humans lived, worked, and thought. But what if the change we're seeing now is different? What if AI isn't just another tool, another helpful invention? What if AI is the next great civilization shift? When our ancestors first controlled fire, survival changed forever. They could cook food, stay warm, and ward off predators. It was a revolution. Then came agriculture. We stopped wandering and started building. Villages grew into cities, and societies were born. Much later, electricity lit up the world, powering industries and connecting continents. It kick-started the modern age. Each of these was a tool that humans controlled, but AI is different. It's not just a passive tool waiting for our command. It learns, it adapts, it even creates. We've built something that can process information, find patterns, and generate ideas at a scale we can barely comprehend. For the very first time in history, humans are not guaranteed to be the smartest or most efficient workers in every single field. This is a massive shift. Look around. The job market is already transforming. The way we educate our children is being re-evaluated. Even the very definition of human creativity is being questioned as AI generates art, music, and literature. It's no wonder people are divided. Some fear that AI will replace us, making human skills obsolete. Others are optimistic, believing AI will free us from repetitive labor, allowing us to pursue higher goals and deeper passions. So, what's the truth? Will AI lead to our downfall? I don't think so. AI will not destroy humanity, but it will force us, challenge us, to redefine what it means to be intelligent. We'll have to rethink the nature of work and reconsider our purpose. Civilizations don't collapse because they discover new tools. They collapse when their people refuse to adapt, refuse to evolve with the changing world. So the real question we should be asking isn't, will AI take over? The real, more important question is, will humans rise to the challenge and evolve with it? What do you think? Is AI a threat or an opportunity? Let me know in the comments below by typing threat or opportunity. I'm really curious to see where everyone stands on this. If you found this thought-provoking, please hit that like button and share this video with someone who needs to see it. And of course, subscribe for more deep dives into our future. Thanks for watching.